Shrink belly, fat or fast, with these 6 natural remedies. Struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Tired of fad diets, endless crunches, and weight loss gimmicks that don't work? The secret to burning belly fat isn't in expensive supplements. It's in natural, science-backed remedies that you probably already have in your kitchen. Did you know that belly fat isn't just about looks? It's also linked to serious health risks like heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. In today's video, I'll reveal how to shrink belly fat fast with these 6 natural remedies and get a flatter stomach the healthy way. Make sure to stick around until the end, because the last remedy is a game changer most people ignore. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Why belly fat is so hard to lose. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is stored deep around your organs and is more dangerous than regular fat. It increases inflammation, raises cholesterol levels, and puts you at higher risk for metabolic disorders. Stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and hormonal imbalances all contribute to belly fat storage. By adding these natural remedies to your daily routine, you can support your body's fat-burning process and reduce stubborn belly fat naturally. Remedy number 1. Apple cider vinegar, the ultimate fat burner. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is packed with acetic acid, which helps break down fat and prevents new fat storage. Studies show that drinking ACV before meals can reduce appetite, improve digestion, and stabilize blood sugar levels. It also helps detox the liver, which is crucial for fat metabolism and weight loss. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV with a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before meals for the best results. Just be sure to dilute it. Drinking it straight can be too harsh on your teeth and stomach. Remedy number 2, green tea, metabolism booster. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins that increase fat burning, especially in the abdominal area. It speeds up your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Green tea also contains caffeine, which enhances energy levels and improves workout performance. Drink 1 to 2 cups of unsweetened green tea daily to support natural fat loss. Remedy number 3. Healthy fats, the belly fat fighters. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, help your body burn stored fat more effectively. They also reduce cravings and keep you feeling full longer, preventing overeating. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, have been shown to reduce inflammation and help shrink belly fat. Try adding a handful of nuts or a drizzle of olive oil to your meals for added fat-burning benefits. Remedy number 4. Lemon and ginger detox. Drink lemon and ginger, work together to detoxify the body, improve digestion, and boost metabolism. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body break down fat more efficiently. Lemon water is one of the simplest, yet most powerful ways to jumpstart fat loss. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it naturally raises your body temperature to burn more calories. Drink a warm lemon and ginger tea in the morning on an empty stomach for the best fat-burning effects. Remedy number 4. Cayenne pepper. The fat-burning spice, cayenne pepper, is a powerful thermogenic food that increases metabolism and boosts fat burning. It contains capsaicin, a compound that helps the body burn more calories by generating heat. Studies show that consuming spicy foods like cayenne can reduce appetite and increase fat oxidation. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals, smoothies, or detox drinks to fire up your metabolism naturally. If you're not used to spicy foods, start small and gradually increase your intake. Remedy number 6. Fiber-rich foods. The secret to a flat belly. Eating more fiber helps reduce bloating, improves digestion, and keeps you full longer. Foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, oats, and leafy greens help cleanse your digestive system and prevent fat accumulation. Soluble fiber found in foods like beans and apples absorbs water and forms a gel that slows digestion, keeping you satisfied. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day for a flatter stomach and better digestion. Hydration is key. Make sure to drink plenty of water to help fiber work effectively in your body. Bonus tips: simple lifestyle changes for faster belly fat loss. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep increases cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat storage. Reduce stress. High stress leads to emotional eating and fat accumulation around the midsection. Move more. Even simple activities like walking after meals can enhance digestion and fat burning. Avoid sugar. Processed sugars and refined carbs contribute to belly fat. Choose whole, unprocessed foods instead. Hydrate. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and supports metabolism. Aim at least 8 glasses a day. There you have it. 6 powerful natural remedies to shrink belly fat and improve your overall health. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.